What's up, guys? Welcome to Cook Bramutile. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my subscribers, thank you for always coming back. And if you're new here, please consider watching other videos and subscribing. I am so excited to be making this meal with you guys. Let's go. We'll need 160 grams of minced soya, and I'm going to flavor with 1 tablespoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of water and let that soak up until the water dries up. While the soya is absorbing the water, we are going to get started on the sauce. I'll be listing all the ingredients used on the description box. Please don't fail to check. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start slicing my onion. At this point, our soya has absorbed all the water, so I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, and then I'm going to use 2 eggs. On this video, you'll see me adding 1 egg. There's another egg that is not caught on camera. I think that helped with the flavors and also with the binding. So once everything has come together, we're going to start shaping the balls. I was using 1.5 tablespoon, and then I proceeded to 2 tablespoons of the mix, but it's better to use 1 or 1.5. 2 tablespoons, the balls were too big. Once you have our balls, we are going to deep fry them. You can shallow fry them, you can bake them, you can do whatever you like. I prefer deep frying mine because I like the crunch. I like them to be very brown and very crunchy. Fry them for around 5 minutes. They are ready to go. And now to our sauce. Let's start by frying our onions, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. So we fry our garlic and onions until they are golden brown before adding the tomatoes. Then I'm going to use paprika and garam masala. Those are the only spices I've used, but you can use any other spice that you like in your sauce. Cook that into a paste and then add water. Let that cook for a minute before adding the balls. Cut the balls, and we are going to let that cook for around 5 minutes on medium heat. After 5 minutes, they are ready. I'm going to use chives to garnish, but you can use coriander or any garnish of your choice. That looks so good, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.